Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Alcatel 1SE Lite and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list. For example, with the usage of the dialer, we should be able to do that. Let's tap on contacts and then find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. So let me pick maybe Timmy. Then let's tap on edit contact. And let me quickly remove the photo so you can see what you will actually see. In your case, if you do not have the photo added, all you have to do right now is to tap on this camera icon in the circle. So let's do that. And you've got two different options. You can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery. And I will pick this option. So let me tap on it. Here we have to decide where we want to complete the sections, so we can use Google Photos or your gallery. It does not really matter which option you will pick. Of course, give all the permissions it needs and then simply find the photo you'd like to use. Here again we have to pick where we want to crop the picture. It can be gallery. That was a misclick, unfortunately. So it can be the gallery or the Google Photos, really up to you. Okay. Alright, and here in this step we can change the position of this highlighted square. We can make it smaller or bigger. Unfortunately, we cannot zoom in or out the photo, but that's okay. Basically, thanks to this, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. So after positioning it, just tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner. And I hope that you can see that it appeared in this circle, so tap on save in the right upper corner again. And as you can see, this is how our contact will look like with our photo. The photo will be also visible on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.